During his sectorial presentation, Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining Minister Floyd Green laid out ambitious plans to revolutionize the country's crop sector, promising increased support for farmers and a push toward sustainable growth amid global challenges. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
And this year we will be offering 30 scholarships.
Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, Floyd Green, emphasized the government's commitment to transform Jamaica's agriculture sector into a more sustainable and competitive industry, especially with global uncertainties. He highlighted recent initiatives aimed at increasing productivity, supporting small farmers, youth in farming, and expanding export markets.
It's about ensuring systems of resilience and adaptation are ingrained in the ecosystem of our sectors. Not just forward planning for climate change, not just forward planning for global insecurities, but ensure that we're implementing actions that will lead to true transformation. It's about the youth in Boghood. It's about the youth in Anoto Bay. It's about the youth in Newcomb Valley or Penance. We have to ensure that they can see a future in agriculture, in fisheries, and in mining. We are confident, Mr. Speaker, that if we develop our production systems to truly feed ourselves in times of rain, drought, or war, if we capitalize on the blue economy, if we develop new industries of mining, our people will be better off, our rural communities will be better off, and our country, Jamaica, will fulfill her true potential.
Due to shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns, the minister also made commitments to protect Jamaica's agriculture sector against these uncertainties.
These extreme weather events are a part of our everyday reality. And as such, ensuring crops against these perils not only makes our farmers more bankable, but also gives them the security to recover faster. Today, members, I'm pleased to announce that as we grow forward, this government will be providing $50 million to provide insurance coverage for 5,000 farmers, prioritizing our agri-parks, our youth, and our women.
Green announced new measures to provide farmers with better access to modern technology, improved infrastructure, and financial incentives. He also stressed the importance of climate resilience, mentioning efforts to introduce more drought-resistant crops and sustainable farming practices.
Mr. Speaker, as we grow forward to build resilience, we understand that protected agriculture is a fundamental part of our strategy. Today, I am pleased to inform the nation that this government is embarking on the largest outlay of protected agriculture structures in our history. The government is spending $800 million constructing 95 greenhouses across 4 parishes before the end of this year. In Content, Manchester, we're transforming our greenhouse cluster into a protected agricultural zone, complete with storage and a new farm road. We are growing forward through protected agriculture. One area that I must address, under the Green Climate Fund Adapt Jamaica project, we are seeking to design and build greenhouses that can withstand Category 5 hurricanes. It's one of the hallmarks of the project. We're going to be designing a greenhouse that is fit for purpose for our reality, and we're going to be spending over $1.5 billion over the next 5 years to roll out those greenhouses.
The minister also announced plans to revamp the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA incubators and the establishment of more farmers' markets to tackle excess produce or gluts, and to directly connect farmers to consumers.
Where we have to provide a space with more suitable equipment for small agro-processors so they can engage in recipe formulation, small-scale production, and start to build scale. Then we're going to use the RADA Agrimat as the outlet for them to sell their products. Additionally, the RADA Home Economics Unit will be seeking to engage our fast food companies and agro-processors with recipes that they have developed utilizing local produce for commercialization. We will also engage in the Ministry of Education to develop a slate of products for distribution that utilize excess agricultural produce. The last area to deal with the excess is our farmers' market. Our farmers' market have worked, and we are going to now ramp up the numbers of farmers' market that we have. We're going to increase the number that we have at the ministry. We're going to target areas like Negril, St. James, Portland, Portmore, to keep more farmers' markets.
The minister also called for greater collaboration between the government and the private sector to foster innovation and growth within the sector. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.